Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is kind of a blizzardly day. We are having a little mini blizzard here where I live, and it's just amazing in April, on April 14th, how it can still be snowing. So I'm just hanging out with the puppies still, Tanner. And they're loving the snow. And then Dash, come here. Come here. Dash, jump. Dash is enjoying the snow too. But yeah, not much is happening. I am actually going to be filming a spring cleaning video pretty soon here. Once I get home. I'm not home at the moment. But yeah, I just thought I would share that we are having a little blizzard and just pop on and say hi. I haven't been doing much. I've just been working a lot, so my life right now is kind of boring and not much to film. So, but I will show you the blizzard conditions that we're having right now. So, if you can see, those are the stairs, and then across the way is a lake. And you kind of can see the lake, but you can't see across. And so, it's died down now. And then on the other side, the window is all snowy. But, yeah, it's just a crazy winter snowy mess out there. So we're just inside playing, and I'm actually going to go let the bigger dog go run outside for a little bit. He loves the snow. He loves and hates it. It's kind of fun. But anyway, guys, stay tuned for future videos. I just wanted to come on and say hi. I am planning on filming some videos. I just want to wait until I get home. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and please subscribe. And I will just see you in the next video. Stay tuned for my spring cleaning video. Okay, until then, bye.